Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to paint your nails, some styles to paint your nails perfectly. So let's start. So the colors I'm picking to paint my nails are this one is good, and maybe this one, and one of this, but you can choose maybe later on. Okay guys, so here are my nails, and I'm going to put the nail polish. So first I'm gonna with this one, this pink. Okay guys, so I color my nails perfectly, you can see. And right now I'm going to decorate them with this nail polish. This is like the dark brown. Okay guys, so the technique to do, I'm doing like a heart here, and I have this thing, this mermaid thing. So here, this is the nail polish. I'm going to drop in the nail polish, as you can see, and as you can see here is some nail polish, and you need to make a perfect heart. So you do like one here, one here. Okay guys, so as you can see, I make a perfect heart, and it looks so good. So see you when I make the heart at all my fingers. Okay guys, I'm done with the hearts. You can see I don't make a heart in this finger because I want to change the style. Okay guys, so my nails are completely dry, and right now with this one I have this nail polish. This is the glittery golden glittery nail polish, and I'm gonna put some glitter on my hands for make like really good look. Okay guys, so the rest of my nails I'm gonna put with this nail polish. Okay guys, so as you can see, I finished to paint my nails and they're looking so good. And you can see here I put some glitter on it, and here is the heart, and on this finger I put the glitter with this nail polish to make it like not equal. So yeah, you can see my nails are looking so good. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching my videos, and the nail paints I need for this video are this brownish, this one, this glittery one, and this another glittery one. So yeah, this is it for today. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell icon, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, see you next video.